sai mi nulea Sufa asifa maile angiva O mofolo ilunga Fa solo umau faunga Mo tino ua anisi Loi matsaua angivi Moi lo, bebe. Moi lo. Bearing life into this world is supposed to be the greatest thing a woman can ever experience. They were wrong. Hail Mary, Mother, you lied. You lied straight to my face. You bend down and you give your praise. But what about the pain? Mary, Mother, what about the pain? Mary, you lied. And he was still.
The heart is a small muscle, but when it beats loud. It was the loudest thing I've ever heard. Like this. Loud and steady. And he held my hand throughout. But when it stopped, when the music stopped, he let go of my hand. And I let go of her.
"5 minutes. It only takes 5 minutes. And you're not here. You didn't come, no one did. He hits her. One punch to the face, he hits her. He hits me, but I still love him. 5 minutes. You're not here, and he's not here, and you didn't come. It only takes 5 minutes. And it hurts.
I was born prematurely, known to my people as the blood clot buried deep beneath a tree. Buried deep within the roots of earth, I sprang out into a warrior. Meeting someone, falling in love, getting married and having children did not cross my mind, although I did have one. But why worry yourself with all that? You see, it was my job to protect my people and pick the right club because I was the chosen one. And I freed my people from chains. And now you women want to sit there and act like your life is shit. Oh, you cry and complain about the pain and hurt of carrying a life through this world when I fought so hard to give birth to your skin. How dare you cry tears! How dare you blame the men that helped you! How dare you cast your anger to Liatua! I am the blood clot that runs through your veins. I am the story tatted on your legs. You are no women of mine.